Earning money through the foreign exchange market is very possible, as long as you do your homework about it. To expound on that, there are actually a lot of assignments you need to do, if you want to earn more profits in this kind of business. With that, you need to know everything that there is to know about Forex if you want to be successful in it. You can do your research, ask questions, and a lot more about certain things regarding this market, but one of the most important things that you need to know about it is called live Forex rates. Foreign exchange rates are actually the values of the various foreign currencies made available in the market today. In other words, their current prices in relation to other foreign currencies is basically the Forex rates that you want to learn more about, and getting live updates about them is actually very important. Knowing the most updated foreign exchange rates is actually one of the most important things that you need to do when it comes to this kind of business. Having live information about the foreign exchange rates will provide you with the confidence that you need, in order to take charge of your Forex trading career. You need to know that one of the biggest factors in achieving success with Forex trading is the moving up and down of the currency rates. The change in the foreign currency rates will actually determine the kind of decision that you need to make, when it comes to the real thing of dealing with this business. One example of this is that, if you are looking to sell a currency that you have invested on to gain profits from, then getting real-time information about its current value or rate will give you the advantage over those people who do not have access to it. With the updated information from the live rates of foreign exchange currencies, you will know when to trade the currency that you are holding onto in order for you to gain profits from it. For example, if you have bought a USD for a certain amount, you should sell it immediately when you are given the news that its value has increased, and one of the things you need for that is the updated information about the rates of foreign exchange. One of the things that you can do in order to get live Forex rates is to acquire a software program that has been built for that purpose. There are actually a lot of programs available in the market today, which will help you with real-time foreign exchange quotes. Thus, all you have to do is to choose the best program, and make use of it properly, in order to gain that advantage that you want. For more exciting videos, please click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching You Trade Forex channel.